Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, LiveLoveCrochet. So today I want to show you a little sneak peek for my next tutorial. So I've been working on this handbag. It's in Alpine stitch. We also have some single crochet down here, and we have double crochet and single crochet for the strap. You can have the strap however long you want it. I just did it this long for this particular handbag. The clasp, we have a button and some buttonholes. Inside is pretty roomy. You could hold your phone and your wallet or your purse inside. So that is the bag. That's what the other side looks like. So if you want to make this with me, you can either look out for my next video, or you can hit the bell down below and be notified when I upload a video. So that is it for now, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.